And I want to speak about the topic my
school. I go to school every day. I have many friends at my school. We learn the lessons and songs.
In the class,
In the class, I like to play with my friends.
sometimes
Sometimes
we
follow the picture.
I eat
I eat
my
my snake
at
at
my school.
my school.
I feel
I feel
happy
happy
and
I
love
love my school.